Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'm going to actually teach you guys how we can solve this specific error in the text-free application, that is denied by registration abuse detector from text-free. Well, the thing is, you successfully actually obtain a number from the text-free application, and even after obtaining the number, when you are trying to make outbound calls or when you're trying to send text messages from your number to other numbers, you get a notification like this from the text free application telling you guys that is your account has been denied by registration abuse, so and it was detected by the service. So what you'd have to do is that you would need to follow a few steps and solve in order to use the features of unlimited texting from the text feed. In order, you would have to solve this error. First of all, if you're not yet installed this application, you can just go and install this application. As you can see, this item is not available in my country. This is because in the recent Textfree update of 2023, was because of a certain law passed by the US government, which actually states that the people who are located outside the US and Canada should not be able to get access or get their hands on a US number. So what they do is that they send a warning to these VoIP applications in order to reduce scams. So the people who are located outside US and Canada, especially the Asians who are located in the Asian countries, would not be able to access or use this application. So what to do? The first step would be to navigate to the textfree.us site and just click on this and try it out if this item is available in your country. If it's not, then you would have to use the web interface of the text-free application. In order to use the web interface in your mobile device, all you have to do is just navigate to the three bars and turn on the desktop site. As you can see, this is a desktop site and this is the mobile version of the website. In the desktop site, you would find two options known as sign up and login. Just if you are new to this, just go click on the sign up button and make an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in the account. If you are unable to use the web interface or you are facing problems in the text-free sign up, then this video's link would be available in the description and the first comment. Please go take a look at it. I would have pinned the comment so it's more easier for you to visit. So before quitting this video, please go make sure to take a look at the comment section. There would be not only this video's link but a lot of important videos which will help you in your technical journey or virtual number journey is going to be in the description and the first comment. And the next stage is after obtaining number successfully. As you can see, this is my number. After obtaining a number, you would be able to receive SMSs, but in order to make outbound calls or a text, you would need to complete the verification. In order to complete the verification, you would need to open this link. Okay, I will show you guys. I'm going to try writing an SMS to my American number. I'm going to type test over here and I'm going to send it. Here you would need to use a American number which is not a VoIP number. This number over here is a VoIP number, meaning I won't be able to use this number. I'll show you guys what happens. They're calling me and actually I am getting a call. As you can see, I am getting a call in my number, but I won't be able to attend the call. Okay, I was able to verify myself using a VoIP number. Now let us try to message. Okay, so this is what happens when I link, that is my number or my account would get blocked. In order to stop this, what you would have to do is When making an account or using the account, you would have to make sure that you are using an US or Canada IP address. I connected it from my default IP address, which is located in India, so it was not working. But if I use a US VPN and once again make an account from the beginning and obtain a number and follow the same steps, then this problem would be solved. So guys, thanks for watching this video until the end. If you did enjoy this video, then do not forget to click on the thumbs up button located below this video. And if you have something to say to me, like a few suggestions, or you would like to leave comments, and please feel free to leave it in the comment section. I would be glad to reply to you. And I got something very important to share to you guys. The thing is, our channel is getting a huge update in the year 2024, and the update is regarding the membership features. So now you'll be able to find the join button and the subscribe button. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button and the subscribe button. And afterwards, you'll be able to find the join button. I'm not forcing you to join, but please go take a look at the perks being provided by a community if you become a member of a community. There are a few exclusive perks such as one-on-one interaction with me directly via social media, member-only exclusive videos, and early access to all the new videos. So you'd be the first to solve the troubles, solve the errors, and you'd be ahead of them. So guys, once again, it's me Surya Prakash from Protech signing off. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.